Today, we're peeling back the layers of a legend, the Aston Martin DB10. This isn't just any GT car, it's the ride that twisted 007 through Spectre's explosive plot, leaving tire tracks of intrigue and automotive excellence. But is the DB10 just a silver screen stunner, or does it pack a punch under the hood that transcends celluloid? Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to find out. Interior: step inside, and the luxury assault continues. Premium leather wraps around every surface, while brushed aluminum accents gleam like hidden gadgets. The cockpit feels tailor-made for high-octane chases, with intuitive controls and a heads-up display that wouldn't be out of place in Q Branch. Performance unleashing the beast. Fast-paced footage of the DB10 accelerating, cornering, and braking. But a Bond car isn't just about looks, it's about raw power. Under the hood, the DB10 roars with a 4.7-liter V8 that churns out 436 horses. Buckle up, because 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds will leave your hair slicked back faster than a martini shaken, not stirred. But it's not just about brute force. The DB10 handles like a dream, carving through corners with precision and poise. The suspension keeps things smooth over rough roads, while the perfectly weighted steering makes you feel like one with the machine. This isn't just a car, it's an extension of your will. So, is the DB10 just a Bond toy? Not a chance. It's a reminder that even in an age of SUVs and self-driving cars, there's still magic in the roar of a V8 and the thrill of the open road. It's a car that whispers adventure, inspires passion, and leaves you shaken, not stirred, and utterly smitten. Subscribe for more car content, share your DB10 dreams in the comments, and hit that like button faster than Bond escapes a ticking bomb.